In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance errors in QuickBooks Online. If your accounts aren't reconciling or you're seeing a mysterious difference, the beginning balance is often the culprit. The beginning balance is the starting point QuickBooks uses for your account, usually the first amount when you set up the account. If it's off, every reconciliation afterward can be off too. The good news is, it's quick to review and correct. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, look to the left panel and click Accounting. This takes you to where your company's accounts live. Next, open the Chart of Accounts tab. This is your full list of accounts: bank, credit card, loans, and more. Find the specific account with the beginning balance error. For most people, it's a bank or credit card account. On that account's row, click View Register. The register shows the transaction history for that account. You'll want to locate the beginning balance entry. This is typically the very first transaction in the register and often includes a note that says opening balance or something similar. Click directly on the beginning balance entry to open it for editing. Now, edit the beginning balance so it matches your official statement balance on the date you started tracking this account in QuickBooks Online. Be sure you're matching the exact date and amount from your bank or credit card statement, and pay attention to whether it should be a positive or negative value, depending on the account type. If the account had outstanding checks or deposits at the time you started, remember that the beginning balance should match the statement, not the bank's running balance after uncleared items. If the entry has a memo or reference, you can add a note for future clarity. When you're confident the amount and date are correct, click Save. QuickBooks will update the register and recalculate any differences. If you had a beginning balance discrepancy warning before, it should now clear or at least become smaller and easier to track. A couple of tips as you do this. Avoid editing beginning balances for periods that are already finalized unless you know exactly why you're changing them. If you're adjusting an account that's been reconciled, a change here can create a discrepancy. When in doubt, make a quick note of the original amount before you change it so you can revert if needed, and consult your accounting professional for complex cases. And there you go. You've corrected the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online, setting yourself up for clean, accurate reconciliations going forward.